I had a lot of arthritis in my knee, and I'm a horseback rider. I endurance ride, and I couldn't do it anymore. I had too much pain. I couldn't walk up and down stairs, and I came here as a last ditch effort before I had a knee replacement, because my orthopedic surgeon told me that I'd replace your knee. Problem is, you have to stop riding your horse because the components won't hold up. And I said, well, that's just not a good enough answer. And we got in on a cancellation, and I ended up having stem cell injections in my left knee, and had phenomenal results from it. I was riding, I was doing everything that I hadn't been doing again. I can't say enough good things about Michelle. She's done my HA injections, and man, she's really good. I mean, as a nurse, you know when somebody knows where to put the needle. And she's good. She's really, really good. I'm really pleased with everything I've had done here. Every provider I've worked with has been helpful and informative, and all the staff, right down to, drawing the blood before my procedures and everything, have been great. So I can't say enough great things about this place.